Make a splash with your English. Learn the meaning of make a splash. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idiomatic expressions. Our focus is on the phrase, make a splash. This vibrant expression is not just about water, it's about making an unforgettable impression. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the depths of the English language and make a splash in your learning journey. Make a splash is an idiomatic expression often used in English to describe creating a significant impression or attracting a lot of attention in a striking and memorable way. Imagine throwing a stone into a calm pond. The ripples and the sound attract attention, don't they? That's exactly the kind of impact this phrase implies, but in social, professional, or creative scenarios. The phrase, make a splash, is believed to have originated from the visual and audible impact of something hitting the water, creating splashes and ripples. Over time, this expression evolved to symbolize making a big impact or stir in society or a particular field. It vividly conveys the idea of causing a sensation or being markedly successful in an endeavor. Let's dive into some examples to see how make a splash is used in everyday language. 1. The new tech startup made a splash in the industry with its innovative product. 2. At the fashion show, the young designer made a splash with her eco-friendly clothing line. 3. The rookie player made a splash in his first game, scoring the winning goal. In these sentences, make a splash highlights a significant and impressive debut or introduction in a particular field. Make a splash is often used in contexts where someone or something gains quick and substantial recognition. It's a versatile phrase and can be applied in various scenarios, including business, entertainment, sports, and more. While it's a positive phrase, context is key. Ensure the impact being referred to is indeed favorable and noteworthy. Congratulations! You've just made a splash in your English learning journey by adding a vibrant idiomatic expression to your vocabulary. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about the ripples they create. So go ahead, use make a splash in your conversations, and watch the waves of interest and engagement you create. Until our next lesson, keep diving deep into the wonders of English.